Alright, I got the winch in there. Our welding job worked perfect. Other than that, it was just kind of a pain in the butt to kind of get the hardest part was getting this damn fair lead on. But, oh well. It's on there now. Yeah, so you said the wiring was going to be easy, but so look, I got this thing that has to be mounted. Alright. But the leads on it are only, I don't know what the hell that is. It ain't very long. So for that to hook there, I don't have many options as to where to mount that thing. I think what I'm going to do is I can look, the back of the box opens. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to look to see if I can extend those wires. Alright, more to follow. Alright, so I can get it. I've opened up the box, and so I can swap those wires with something longer. Just need to find out what gauge wire that is and go from there. I don't know, it looks like maybe a, I don't know, maybe a 2, or which way does it go? It's not. Anyway, I'll figure it out. More okay, so what we have here is it's a Can-Am Outlander 500 Rotax power, I guess. So brand new, 2023, I believe. So I've put this Badland, Harbor Freight Badland winch on here. So, alright. And I hadn't seen anything about wiring this, so what I had to do was I elected to put my relay unit here in this front compartment because I wanted to use this switch. So I have that switch just wire tied to the handlebar there, and then I have this thing just pulls up a couple of clips here, and then it just pulls out of the way. And I was able to snake this large plug. Down, down through all of that mess, and now, with that said, now that I have everything wired up, you know, I can work it right here instead of using the remote control. Okay, I had to take this box apart, and the winch wires, the wires that go to the winch, I had to extend those. So wound up going up to Napa, buying some 10 gauge wire, and put the ends on, and then I was able to I drilled some holes into the plastic so I could put the wire ties on. This whole coil here, this is all that extra wire for that remote that's on the handlebars. And then this is, I hope this will be alright. I guess, you know, here's, you got a water hose. I got it tied over here. Come behind this panel, and then was able to snake it up, bring it up this way, and then I had some cover. I put some cover on it because I don't know how hot this gets, and then have my wire come here. This circuit breaker was a kind of a chore because I had to assemble it in this space because it's too big as it is to go in to snake it in there. And then what I did here was instead of going, the battery is back here. All right. And I didn't really have enough wire to get to the battery, but from the battery, these two leads here come directly from the battery. So here's a hot post that I put the winch on, and then here's my negative post that I put, again, the winch on. So I got both of my wires here. So so that's the install for a Outlander, Can-Am Outlander 500. Not a 570, not a 470, not a 450, but a 500. And using the Harbor Freight Badland winch. Okay. So that's it.